Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In previous lecture, I talked about what is word and what is praise. In today's lecture, I will talk about what is class and what is sentence. What is the difference between class and sentence? Here, look at the definition of class. What is class? Class क्या होता है? In Urdu we call it jumla munhasira. So look at the definition: a group of words which forms part of a sentence. A group of words which forms a part of sentence. Group words का ऐसा मजमुआ जो कि जुमले का एक हिस्सा बनाता है उसको हम क्लास कहते हैं. बट एंड contains मुश्तमिल होना, a subject and a predicate. What is subject? The doer of an action. काम करने वाले को फाइल कहते हैं, the doer of an action. And a predicate. Predicate will talk about the subject. Is called a class. So class is a group of words which is the part of a sentence and having its own subject and predicate. क्लास हमारे साथ जुमले का एक हिस्सा होता है और इसका अपना सब्जेक्ट काम करने वाला होता है एंड प्रेडिकेट, और प्रेडिकेट वो होता है जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बंदे को बताता है. सो लुक एट द एग्जांपल, यू विल नो इट इजीली. Who pay their debts are trusted. This is the class. Who pay their debts are trusted. Who pay. The message is not conveyed. The meaning is not here. We are still confused. Who pay their debts? So in sentence it will be clear. People who pay their debts are trusted. So this part of the sentence is known as class. Look at the second sentence. While it is raining. While it is raining. Here concept is not here. Here is not full meaning. It didn't convey a message. So it is class. But we attach some words with that, so it will convey a full meaning. So it is a sentence. We cannot start while it is raining. So it is a full statement. हम उस वक्त तक शुरू नहीं कर सकते जब तक बारिश होगी. Who pay their debts? किसने अपना कर्ज अदा किया जो कि ट्रस्टेड है, उस पर हम यकीन कर सकते हैं. So people who pay their, वो लोग जो अपने कर्जों को अदा करते हैं वो ट्रस्टवर्थी होते हैं, उस पर हम यकीन कर सकते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टुवर्ड द सेंटेंस. व्हाट इज सेंटेंस? लुक एट द डेफिनेशन. अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स व्हिच कन्वे, जो कि हमें देता है, कन्वे देना, व्हिच कन्वे अ कंप्लीट मुकम्मल सेंस ऑफ known as sentence. वर्ड्स का ऐसा ग्रुप, अल्फाज का ऐसा मजमुआ जो हमें एक मुकम्मल मीनिंग देता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सेंटेंस. सेंस मीनिंग, मानी, मतलब. So a group of words which convey a complete sense known as sentence. अल्फाज का ऐसा मजमुआ जो हमें मुकम्मल मीनिंग दे कि हमको समझ आ जाए कि क्या कहना चाहते हैं, तो उसको हम सेंटेंस कहते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू फ्रैंक पामर, एक मॉडर्न ग्रामेरियन है फ्रैंक पामर, वो कहता है वन वर्ड कैन बी अ सेंटेंस. वन वर्ड कैन बी अ सेंटेंस. If one word convey a full meaning, so it can be a sentence. For example, when you are somewhere and your friend texts you, where are you? And you said coming, आ रहा हूँ. Coming, आ रहा. It convey a full sense कि मैं आ रहा हूँ. So that type of words also known as sentence. When a bus is coming toward you and you said to the bus driver, stop. It means that stop the bus. So this one word stop convey a full meaning. So that type of words is also known as sentence. Now look at the example of sentence. Example sentence के example को देखिए. Statement. I write a letter. मैंने एक खत लिखा. It is statement. It convey meaning. So that type of sentence who convey a statement which may be positive, which may be negative. So that type of sentences is called declarative or assertive sentences. वो sentences जो हमें एक मैसेज देता है कि ये चीज़ है या नहीं है, तो उसको हम declarative और assertive sentences कहते हैं. So gave me a glass of water. It is the example of sentence. Gave me a glass of water. It is command. So those sentences who having command is known as imperative sentences. उसको हम imperative sentences कहते हैं. Exclamation. Hurrah! My uncle has come. Hurrah is used for happiness. Hurrah हम खुशी के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. My uncle has come. मेरा uncle आया. So that type of sentence who have an exclamation, exclamatory mark, exclamation mark. So that type of sentences is known as exclamatory sentences. And this is, have you completed your homework? Here we have a question mark. So it means that the sentence is a question. Have you किया आपने अपना काम मुकम्मल कर चुका है? These type of sentences who have question is known as interrogative sentences. In coming lecture, I will talk about, I will explain what is sentence, what are the types of sentences. Today here I talk a little bit about the sentence and the type of, the example of sentence. So if you have any question and regarding class and sentence, so you can ask me in comment section, share my video, like my video, and wait for my next video. Subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. See you next time.